Hey there, thinking of diving into the world of artificial intelligence? Buckle up, because today I'm breaking down how you can become an AI engineer. First off, let's talk education. You'll need a solid foundation in computer science, mathematics, or engineering. Take key courses in AI, machine learning, and algorithms. These are your building blocks. Next up, essential skills. Programming is a must. Master languages like Python, Java, and C++. Get cozy with libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. You'll need to dive deep into machine learning algorithms. Think supervised learning, neural networks, the whole shebang. Don't forget data handling. You gotta excel at data cleaning, pre-processing, and visualization. This is crucial. Now, to stand out, explore specialized AI subfields like NLP and computer vision. Certifications can really give you an edge and deepen your expertise. Practical experience is gold. Engage in projects and internships, platforms like Kaggle, perfect for getting your hands on real-world data sets and honing those skills. But here's the kicker: ethical awareness. Embrace the responsibility. Understand the ethical and social implications of AI to ensure your work is transparent and fair. Communication is key too. Collaborate effectively because teamwork makes the dream work, especially in cross-functional AI projects. And remember, continuous learning is your best friend. AI never sleeps, so stay ahead with ongoing education in the latest technologies and methodologies. Lastly, get proficient with AI tools like Kubernetes and PyTorch. Understanding large-scale AI system management is a huge plus. Building a career in AI is a journey of learning, experimentation, and evolution. What's your experience in this burgeoning field? Share your insights below. Catch you in the next one.